Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. This is Khawaja, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Learn English with Mr. Khawaja. Here on this channel, I help you speak English. I help you improve your English as you practice with me. It is lesson number 8, and today's lesson is on useful expressions. You will practice with me by repeating after me. So these are questions and answers, and you will repeat after me. Question number 1. Did she break the dish on purpose? On purpose means intentionally. Did she break the dish on purpose? No, she didn't do it on purpose. It was only an accident. Repeat after me. Did she break the dish on purpose? No, she didn't break the dish on purpose. It was only an accident. The second question, will you take part in the meeting tomorrow? Take part. Take part means to participate. Will you take part in the meeting tomorrow? Yes, I hope so. Yes, I hope that I'll take part in the meeting tomorrow. I remember some people say, yes, I hope so that I'll take part in the meeting tomorrow. I hope so that it is not correct. If you say, I hope so, you have to stop here. And if you want to say that, then don't use so. So there are two ways to put it. Yes, I hope so. This is short answer. Yes, I hope so. Or no, I don't hope so. Or no, I don't think that I'll take part in the meeting tomorrow. So when you say so, then stop here. And when you want to continue, don't say so, use that. Will you take part in the meeting tomorrow? Repeat after me. Will you take part in the meeting tomorrow? Yes, I think that I'll take part in the meeting tomorrow. Yes, I think that I'll take part in the meeting tomorrow. Did your boss take part in the meeting yesterday? Past tense, past indefinite. Did your boss take part in the meeting yesterday? Yes, he did. He took part in the meeting yesterday. Yes, he did. He took part in the meeting yesterday. The next question. Don't you have any money at all? At all. At all means to any degree in the least. To any degree in the least. We don't use to any degree in the least in the sentence, so the expression is at all. Usually it appears in the negative sentences. Repeat after me. Don't you have any money at all? No, I don't have any money at all. Don't you have any money at all? No, I don't have any money at all. The next question. How many waiters waited on you in that party? To wait on. To wait on means to attend, to serve. It is different from to wait for. It is not wait for, it is wait on. It is different. It means to serve, to attend. It does not mean to wait. Repeat after me. How many waiters waited on you in that party? How many waiters waited on you in that party? There were at least 10 waiters who waited on us in that party. Repeat after me. There were at least 10 waiters who waited on us in that party. At least 10 waiters waited on us in that party. The next question. How many idioms have you learnt by heart? By heart. By heart means by memory. How many idioms have you learnt by heart? I've learnt at least 100 idioms by heart. Repeat after me. How many idioms have you learnt by heart? Answer. I have learnt at least 100 idioms by heart. The next question. How many idioms have you learnt so far? So far means up to the present time. Repeat after me. How many idioms have you studied so far? How many idioms have you studied so far? Answer. I've studied 1,000 idioms so far. I've studied 1,000 idioms so far. The next question. Can I try on these black shoes? Try on. Try on means to wear, to test, to wear before buying. Try on. It means to wear as you wear clothes, shoes, gloves, caps, hats. So you try on these things and then you decide whether they fit you well or not, and then you buy. Repeat after me. Can I try on these black shoes? Sure, you can try on all these shoes. Do you want to try on those brown shoes? Do you want to try on those brown shoes? Yes, I'd like to try on those brown shoes now. The next question. Will you think over my offer tonight? Think over. Think over means to consider carefully before deciding. So you are given something to think and you have to reply. Then you think it over first and then you reply. Repeat after me. Will you think over my offer tonight? Sure, I will. I'll think over your offer tonight and give you my answer tomorrow. The next question. Where did the accident take place? Take place means to happen, to occur. Where did the accident take place? Answer. The accident took place on motorway yesterday. Where did the accident take place? The accident took place on motorway. I hope this much is enough today. See you next time. Take care. Goodbye.